In this video, we show how primitive humans cooked meat over fire to stay safe and survive. This is raw meat, which can be dangerous to eat without cooking. Raw meat may contain harmful bacteria and parasites. Dry wood is collected to build a strong fire. Small sticks are arranged to help start the fire. Friction creates heat, which produces fire. Dry grass ignites and begins the fire. Larger wood is added to strengthen the fire. The meat is placed on a stick for cooking. The meat is held above the fire, not inside it. The meat is turned to cook all sides evenly. Heat changes the meat, making it safe to eat. Too much heat can burn the food. Cooked meat is safer and easier to digest. The food is now ready to eat. The fire must be maintained for continued use. Stones help control and contain the fire. Fire provides warmth and protection at night.